Tapos, yun nga, napaka-maraming Pilipino doon. Pag kumakausap ako ng Pilipino, sorry ha, hindi ko nasasama dito kasi for their privacy. Pero nagtatanong lang ako kung kumusta sila dito, ang buhay dito, kumusta, ganon. Tapos sinasagot naman nila ako.
Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, yum, that yummy, yum, that yummy, yummy.
Sea of snow pa rin yan. Ayan, so talagang maglalast to up until February, March, honey?
Huh?
The snow.
November, December, January, February.
Okay.
And when you get into March and stuff like that, that's when the snow starts to melt and we get milder temperatures and stuff. But there's not, we can always get a big storm in March too, like.
Oh.
So and you know, but ultimately that the temperatures start to get a little bit milder and the snow starts to disappear.
Okay.
By April, you're looking at slushy. I guess similar to the rainy season in Philippines, like where I guess there's so much water, the melting snow and stuff turns into slush and mud and just dirty and stuff, but the temperatures start to warm up.
Okay, so ibig sabihin, madumi din pala yung Canada. Kami din siya. So, yung parang dumi season nila dito is mag-uumpisa ng April, May, June, like that?
Yes.
Okay, so parang mga 3 months.
June, people are planting their gardens and stuff like that. Well,
okay.
March, May, towards the end of May, people are starting to plant their gardens, I guess.
Okay, so yan. After ng snow, after ng mga Feb, yung March, mag-melt na yung snow. Tapos mga April, tapos May, start na silang mag-plant ng mga halaman dito. Ayan. Mayaman sila sa canola oil, sunflower oil, ano pa ba, yung mga wheat, corn, marami kasi nga napakalawak nung ano nila, nung teritoryo nila. Ayun. So, tapos, ano pa? Yun, yung sabi niya, yung April, May, June, parang tag-ulan sa Pilipinas, tapos may bagyo. Ayun, kaya siya madumi. Ayun. Ano pa ba? Yun, pupunta kami ngayon sa Fort Frances para bibili ng mga kailangan namin. Yung Fort Frances mula dito is 1 hour travel. Ayun. Napakalaki niyang town. Nung pumunta ako doon, hindi ko akalain na town siya kasi napakalaki niya. Ganon. Tapos, yun nga, napaka-maraming Pilipino doon. Pag kumakausap ako ng Pilipino, sorry ha, hindi ko nasasama dito kasi for their privacy. Pero nagtatanong lang ako kung kumusta sila dito, ang tayo para makita niyo yung unending bush. Ayun. Do you want to say something, honey?